Hello, it's Elise Corbin with Peter Francisco Soil and Water Conservation District, here to do our mineral lab. So there are several ways that you can identify a mineral. And on our website, we have a mineral lab sheet that you can download. We have a mineral lab record sheet that you can download. And these will really help us in identifying our minerals. We also have these little test kits with some different items like nails and pennies and street plates and magnets that are available for if you are doing this lab in a classroom setting that teachers can check out, and you can use this if you're actually physically doing it. But if you need to do it virtually, we're going to do it virtually together. So let's get started. On your mineral lab sheet, it starts off, it says, go through the following steps and record your answers on your record sheet. Check your answer on the back side of your record sheet. And for those of you online, you can do it with, you can download the answer sheet as well. It's there on a button. Okay, the first thing we're going to look at is color. So you pick a mineral from the box, and I picked this mineral. And I don't know how well you can see it on the screen. But this is the mineral we're going to work with first. So if I look at it, I can see the colors are blue, and it has a little bit of white in it. So on my mineral lab record sheet, under the color section, I'm going to write, let's see, the color section, I'm going to write blue and white. Next, you're supposed to look at the luster. Does it reflect light? And I have pictures on your mineral lab that kind of describe what the luster is. So I'm looking at this mineral, and it actually does reflect light. It kind of looks glassy. So my luster would be vitreous. So I'm going to write vitreous under the luster section of my mineral lab record sheet. Now, I'm going to look at the streak. In our test kit, we have a black streak plate and a white one. So let me try to make a streak. I take the rock and I rub it on my streak plate. I don't see anything. So now let me pick up my black streak plate and let me take my, mineral. I called it a rock just a minute ago, but let's see. Let's take our mineral and I got a lovely white streak. So on the streak section of my mineral lab record sheet, I'd write white. Now we're going to do a series of tests to do hardness. A mineral's hardness is its resistance to scratching. So first I'm going to take my fingernail and I'm going to see if my fingernail will scratch this mineral. Nope, my fingernail does not scratch it. So if you look at your mineral lab sheet, a fingernail is 2.5 or 2.4. So it's harder than a 2.4. The next thing is a penny. A penny is 3.0. So, you know what? My penny scratched it. So, under hardness, I would write 3.0. Now, the final test, I've got a little magnet here. Is this mineral magnetic? Nope, it's not magnetic. So I'd write no under that magnetic section of it. Now, on our Mineral Lab record sheet, we have a list of minerals. And let's see what mineral will fit our description. Blue and white. The only minerals that fit our description with blue in it would be calcite, would have that blue. Ooh, the luster was vitreous. That rings with calcite. Our streak was white. Our hardness was 3. Magnetic was no. I would say that this mineral is calcite. So if you look at your answer sheet and you look at your mineral has a number on it. This happens to be number 6. Number 6, calcite. Ding, ding, ding. We were right. Let's do another mineral. Let's go back and let's look at color. So let's see. I have a mineral right here. What color is this mineral? It's black, right? So I'd write black. For luster, if I look down at the luster section, it kind of looks metallic to me. It looks like the metallic picture. So I would write metallic for the luster. Streak. Well, let's pick up our white streak plate. And let's pick up our mineral. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but it made a black streak on my streak plate. So I don't even need to try rubbing it on my black streak plate. I can do it on my white streak plate because it made a black streak. All right, so I'll write my streak is down. I'll record black in that section. Hardness. Let me see if I can scratch it with my fingernail. No scratches there. Next, a penny. Let's see. Nope, not scratching it with a penny. Next, I'm going to go to a nail. Nope, the nail's not even scratching it. So we know it's harder than 5.0. Let's see if this glass plate will scratch it. Ready? Glass plate didn't scratch it either. So it is harder than a 5.6. Let's try a streak plate. Let's use the white one since this is a black surface. My streak plate is actually scratching it. So we know it's somewhere between a 5 and a 7. So what's a good number between 5 and 7? Let's go with 6. Very good. We'll put 6 down. And our final question, is it magnetic? So I've got my magnet. Oh my goodness, it is magnetic. So I would write yes under the magnetic section. Now let me look on our Mineral Lab record sheet where we recorded all our answers. And let's see if we find anything that is black color, that's metallic with luster, that makes a black streak and has a hardness of about 6 and is yes for magnetic. And we come up with magnetite. So this mineral is magnetite. Good job, guys. You are on your way to identifying minerals.